This is our Chicago Area Business Aviation Association event. We've been having this for over a decade. It's an opportunity for our students to talk to industry professionals who are on the general aviation side of the industry. We've got maintenance technicians here, we've got pilots here, we've got administrators, dispatchers here. It's for all of our majors to see another side of industry that regrettably isn't emphasized as much as it probably should be in collegiate aviation.
Everybody knows about the airlines. Everybody's been on an airliner. Most people have not flown in a business aviation, airplane, and they're not aware of just how many jobs are available and the kind of jobs that are available. Business aviation supports more than 1 million jobs in the United States alone, and a lot of those jobs aren't pilot jobs, and they're not maintenance technician jobs. If you can think of a job in any industry, there's an opportunity to do that thing within business aviation.
In the corporate aviation world, it's all about who you know. It's great to have Chicago in our backyard, being here at Lewis, to be able to have these experiences and get to know these professionals to help our careers as well.